Alatrade is a custom processor, so we actually provide a service for other poultry processors. And the Albertville, we bring in the front half and we debone it. So basically what that is, we're disassembling that front half into different segments, and then we package that and send it back out to the customer's plant or to their customer that we ship directly to.
One of our niches is that we debone. That's the part of a poultry company that is most labor intensive. So some of the larger companies have gotten out of deboning. We pick that up. What really makes us unique is our quick response time.
To achieve a quick response time and adhere to the high sanitation standards, Alatrade leverages process efficiencies with state-of-the-art Van de Graaff drum motors to drive their conveyors.
We are a company, we like to be state-of-the-art in the equipment that we have at our facility. We try to be some of the first ones to own a new piece of equipment. Van de Graaff is at the top of our list. They have provided us with equipment that has updated all of our conveyors, and that as any of these conventional gearboxes or motors start breaking down, we will most definitely change them out to Van de Graaff.
Alatrade's been doing business with Van de Graaff since about 12 years. They started to helping us with some internal failures that we had. Since that time, we've just seen the potential for us to limit the amount of downtime that we've had, and also just to make a safer work environment.
We're switching because of the longevity of the motor. They outlast the conventional motor gearbox. You have less moving parts, and Van de Graaff and conveyor technology work well with us to come in and size up the motors when we have a changeover.
We at Conveyor Technology have been a distributor for Van de Graaff across the U.S. for the past 20 years. We were looking for a very specialized and niche product years ago, and knew that Van de Graaff was high quality and that it would be very useful in the meat, poultry, and pork business.
So for Alatrade, being in the poultry industry and food industry as a whole, food safety has to be a top priority. And Van de Graaff just plays a huge role in us being able to be successful in that.
With food safety being of the utmost importance, conveyors must be cleaned and sanitized on a daily basis. Conveyors with externally driven motors are prone to harbor bacteria, are difficult to clean, and increase the potential for contamination. Purpose-built for sanitation, the Van de Graaff all-stainless steel drum motor with no external components eliminates bacterial buildup areas and is quicker and easier to clean.
The great thing about the Van de Graaff motor is that it will withstand 3,000 psi of water pressure. So we can get in, we can wash things down quickly, we can apply our chemicals to kill our microbes, and then we are back up and running again.
The conventional motor and gearbox is 2 to 3 times longer to maintain and work on. The Van de Graaff motor is maintenance-free. Hook it up and run it.
We obviously want to keep our people safe. A device like the Van de Graaff motor helps us do that, and it's a sealed motor. There's no cogs, no gears exposed that can grab a smock or clothing and pull a person in. So it's a good, safe product.
From a management standpoint, the fact that you've got something that's not going to fail allows you to focus your attention on other things that can improve your process instead of a motor or when it's going to go out.
Well, Van de Graaffs are probably the most easily cleaned motor that is in the industry. It all comes down to how quickly can you clean a piece of equipment, reduces your downtime, increases your productivity. Downtime is money. So we want to be able to swap something if it breaks down quickly. So we're able to take a conventional motor, gearbox off, install a Van de Graaff, and we're back up and running. Saves us time, saves us money. We would highly recommend Van de Graaff motors.